Hello everybody, welcome to AtNEET Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Ray Optics. Okay, this question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2021. Okay, what is the question, sir? A convex lens A of focal length 20 centimeter and a concave lens B of focal length 5 centimeter are kept along the same axis with a distance d, small d, between them. If a parallel beam of light falling on A leaves B as a parallel beam is coming and falling on A, and also it leaves as a parallel beam from B. Okay, that's all. Then the distance d in centimeter will be how much? You are given four options: 25, 15, 50 and 30 centimeter. So how to solve this problem, sir? So it has been given that focal length of lens A, that is B of 1, that is 20 centimeter. This is for a convex lens, that rather to say converging lens. And focal length of B is f2, it is 5 centimeter. As it is concave lens, that is divergent lens, you put minus 5 centimeter. You are putting the negative sign. Okay. So the focal length of the combination, for the focal length of the combination, you have a formula, but it must be infinity. Only if the focal length is infinity, parallel beam will leave the combination. Okay. So the equation for FC is that you know it will 1 by FC is equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2 minus D, the distance between them, divided by F1 F2, and it must be equal to 1 by infinity, because the focal length of the combination must be infinity so that to form a parallel beam leaving from B. Okay, that's all, into the combination. So 1 by infinity is equal to 0, that you know. It means what? You can put, so 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2 minus D divided by F1 F2 is equal to 0. So you can bring that to the other side. So you get D divided by F1 F2 is equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. You know the values of F1 and F2. So substituting the values in the equation, we get D divided by, what is F1 F2? 20 into minus 5. 1 by F1, 1 by 20. 1 by F2, 1 by minus 5. So it is equal to 20 into 5, 100. So that is a negative sign here. So you get minus D by 100. What about RHS? 1 by 20 minus 1 by 5. This negative sign. But having negative sign here. So minus 1 by 5. So 20 is a common factor. 20. 1 into 20. So 4 20. So 1 minus 4 divided by 20. What is 1 minus 4? Minus 3 by 20. So on the LHS you have minus D by 100. On the RHS you have minus 3 by 20. You can cancel the negative sign, isn't it? So D by 100 is equal to 3 by 20. Then what is D? Put this, bring this 100 to RHS. So D is equal to 3 into 100 divided by 20. 1 into 20, 20, 5 into 20, 100. So 3 into 5. 20, 20, 5 3 into 5, 15. So 3 into 5, 15 centimeter. So that is a distance between the two lenses A and B. D is equal to 15 centimeter. Option 2 is the right answer. Okay. So this is a very simple question. You have to work it properly. The point behind the question is the value of FC is infinity. Then only the parallel beam of light will come out of B. Okay, come out of the combination. That is the point you have to remember. If you remember that point, you can solve this question very easily. Okay, so we will see one more question in this chapter Ray Optics in our next video. Till then, thank you one and all. Okay, thank you.